Hello students, a very good morning to one and all. Today we are starting with the new lesson of GK, that is IT world, right? So this is the new lesson of GK that we are going to start today. Now dear students, the name IT world, there is one particular subject IT, and if somebody asks you what is the full form of IT, what you will say? You will say the full form is I stands for information and the T stands for technology, right? So what it basically represents? It represents the information technology. Now students, what do you mean by information technology? Technology, what it is. Right now in today's era, we are living in the world of computers. So without the technology, we can't imagine even our lives. So with the help of the technology today, we have very much ease in the work. We are comfortable to do the work, right? I relate this word IT with today's scenario. What is going on? Pandemic period is going on, corona period is going on, and you people at your home are sitting, and we people from our home are providing you the lectures. How it is possible? It is just possible because of the technology, right? E-learning, electronic learning. Electronic means in online learning. You people are sitting at your home and you are getting the full lectures. Can you imagine if we go to back times for 50 years ago, 30, 40, 50 years ago, technology was not there at that time. So if same situation happens at that time, what would happen? People won't have that facilities, they won't have that you can say resources. So I can say today IT world, many inventions are there in the IT world that help the people for their ease in the life, comfort in the life, and that also adds up to the this e-learning, right? So in this chapter, dear students, we are going to learn about the new inventions. You will be looking about the new inventions, like one or two examples I can give you. Example of a hand phone. Earlier there were phone with the cords. Right now we are having cordless phone. Who invented that? Right? So the picture is being given, the picture of that your gadget is being given, and you have to identify the name. Who invented this thing? राइट लाइक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट है, गूगल है, ईमेल्स हैं, आप मेल्स करते हो, www है, वेबसाइट्स जिसको आप वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब बोलते हो. सो सिमिलरली मैनी थिंग्स आर टू बी लर्नड इन दिस चैप्टर. So I am going to start with this chapter, but before that I will be share one video related to you can say this technology, and you will be learning about what technology is and what are the different advantages of living in the world full of technology. So students, let's start doing this chapter, and very carefully you have to write it in your books side by side.
Technology refers to the practical application of scientific knowledge for a purpose. Technology enhances the usefulness of goods and services in a safe manner. It aims at creating value. Technology helps us make work easier. It can help us in many ways possible.
Life comfortable. Everything that we see and use in our daily life is the gift of technology, from the clothes we wear, the house we live, the car we travel, the bridge and flyovers, the mobile phone we carry, etc. are all examples of successful implementation of technology. Education. Virtual classes are delivered at many schools. E-learning is a relatively new concept. Students make use of internet technology to download important study materials in the form of text, audio and videos.
Okay students, so after the video, let's start solving the chapter. Okay, so the first question is, who invented the integrated circuit? Right, integrated circuit. So you can see the picture. This picture is also available in your book. The picture is drawn. You have to identify who have discovered. So what will be the answer? Yes, the answer is Jack Kilby and Robert Noyce. So once again, Jack Kilby, Robert Noyce. Second is, who is the fathers of Google? You know, Google these days very prominent. So who is the father of Google? Let's see the picture. These are the two brothers, you may say. So the father of Google means who discovered it, right? So what will be the answer? It's Sergey Brin and Larry Page. I repeat, Sergey Brin and Larry Page. Next is principal founder of Microsoft Corporation, Microsoft company, too big company, all of you know. So see the picture. He's the man who invented the Microsoft Windows. Basically, it's Windows. So what his name? It's Bill Gates. You have also studied his richest man. So the answer is Bill Gates. Next is creator of interface elements and interfaces for the Apple Macintosh. So here is a lady. She's an American lady, and the name of this lady is, yes, your guesses are correct. The name is Susan Kare. She's the lady who has developed the Apple interfaces. Next is co-founder of Apple Inc. You know, Apple's mobile phones, MacBooks, very famous. Now look at the picture. Before the picture you may see one sign, right? Sign of Apple. Apple mobile phones, iPhones. Who is the inventor? He is Steve Jobs. So the correct answer for this is Steve Jobs. He is the co-founder of Apple. Coming to next, who invented www? Now, what do you mean by www? The full form is World Wide Web. Any internet page you want to open, you have to enter the website using www, right? So it's very helpful. The answer is yes, it's Tom Berners-Lee. He is the inventor of the World Wide Web, that is www. Next is co-founder and chief technology officer of Micro Display. Micro means very small. So in the picture you may see, look, very small display, Micro Display. Who is the co-founder? Again, she is a lady, and you may look at the picture. This picture is being also drawn in your book, and the co-founder of the chief technology, a very small display, Micro Display, is Mary Law Jepsen. She is the founder of the micro technology, that is Micro Display. Very small. Micro means small. Okay, everybody's being familiar with this picture. Yes, it's mail, right? Right now, these days, mails are very famous. So the question is, implemented on the first email program on the ARPANET system. What is ARPANET system? It is Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, right? So mails, basically the email programs, that is discovered by whom? ARPANET. So full form you have studied, Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. So it's discovered by a man. Look at the picture. This person named as, yes, the name of this person is Ray Tomlinson. He is the basic, you can say, founder, and he implemented the first email program. Yes, this picture very prominent. This is a computer mouse. So computer mouse, who discovered it? Who invented the first computer mouse? This is the question. Who invented the first computer mouse? You may see the picture of the person who invented the first computer mouse. It has two buttons, left button, right? So a person who invented the first computer mouse is named as Douglas Engelbart. He is the person who invented the first computer mouse. Okay. Mobile phones, yes, very famous mobile phones. But one differentiation you can see, it is cordless, handheld. So who invented the first handheld cellular mobile phones? In the next picture, I will show something. You may see this is a phone that has a cords, right? This has a cords with it. तो उसके साथ आपने देखा होगा कि wire है. So the first phone that was invented by Motorola Dynatec 8000X. This was the first phone that was invented. This person invented this phone. First handheld phone. Earlier phones were with wires you can't take from one place to another. And his name is Martin Cooper. He was a man who discovered the first handheld phone.